Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a monthly reading for all the Aquarius and Moon Venus rising from 1st till the 15th of April. Not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below, and self-love course is on the way for you guys. Will publish tomorrow. Let's start. The overall energy for Aquarius people, sorry, for the first 15 days of April 2025 is we have the two of swords. Okay, you will be very focused on getting some kind of clarity in a particular direction where things are not so clear and you're on the crossroads. You are not able to make one choice or one decision. It's like indecisive energy, and you're going to be super focused on this energy of deciding something and getting the proper clarity in that direction. Okay, perfect. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, honey. Lovers, you had a choice between two people, two companies, two energies, two situations. You had a choice, but you were very attracted to both the choices, to both the situations, and you were not able to understand which one is the best one for you. You were trying your best to figure out. Okay, currently we have this energy of justice, trying your best to make the right choice, make the right decision, do the right thing, just doing the right thing. Okay, very good. By the 15th of April, Aquarius, we have this King of Pentacles. It's like being in a very mature, stable and grounded kind of energy, and then watching everything from a distance and figuring it out. Very good. Let's clarify these cards one by one. Let's clarify the lovers in the recent past for you guys, Aquarius. पहले भी मैं तुमसे मिली हूँ. Eight of Cups, Star, Temperance. Because you had a choice between two almost similar energies, or you were attracted to the idea of being with the two things or two people or two situations or something like that. You chose to walk away, and you chose to heal yourself properly, ground yourself properly, being patient with the situation, not to lose your mind, not to lose your temper, or not to make any kind of life changing decision just in infatuation or just in attraction. And you felt like you should just keep moving ahead in your life, and you will definitely be able to find your path. That's what you did in the recent past. This is your card only. Star card is Aquarius only, and you did an extremely good job in walking away from something or someone that you were very infatuated or attracted to, and you but at the same time you felt like not the right time to decide. Wow, fantastic. Currently you are carrying the same energy with you, and you are just trying to do the right thing, the justice here, with yourself, with other energy or other energies involved in the situation. Let's clarify the justice, honey. Let's say we have the Ten of Swords, the lovers. You ended something. Tada. Period. You ended something and you are distancing yourself from something or someone. And according to you, this is the right thing to do. I don't know what is wrong with my tongue today. I'm on my periods, and sometimes my periods make me very nervous. And I'm working because if I'm not going to do the reading today, a lot of people are going to mail me and then kind of blackmail me. Not blackmail. You guys are sweet. But people get anxious when they don't get the readings on time. Anyways, honey, you are distancing yourself from something or someone after ending something that you were very infatuated or attracted to at some point of time, but you chose yourself and you chose the right thing, and now you are in this energy of let's do the justice. But watching from distance, watching something or someone from a distance and distancing yourself at the same time, because according to you, this is the right thing to do. This is the justice. Okay, honey, by the 15th of April, we have the King of Pentacles. Let's clarify this. We have the Eight of Wands, the Hermit, and the Death card. There will be some kind of fast and forward movement in a particular direction where things are kind of stuck right now. The moment you are going to stabilize your energies, the moment you are going to be in a very mature, very grounded kind of energy of just taking care of yourself, taking care of your own things, and being in a kind and compassionate and nurtured kind of energy, everything will start coming to you. Everything, including the decisions, the people, the situations, everything that you are kind of maybe waiting for, or you were waiting for. But now, when you're deciding to detach and let go, and being in your own energies, being compassionate and being grounded in your own energies, everything will start coming to you. Yeah, there will be no more delays, there will be no more, no, this energy of not getting the communication, maybe not getting the proper information, not being able to find out the way or the path. You will be able to find out everything naturally. So everything will start moving in a very fast pace in your life, in actually multiple areas of your life, because you are going to be grounded, you are going to be stable enough in your own energies, and most importantly, you are going to be secure enough to understand that whatever is meant for you will come to you eventually, and the magic will start unfolding. It's like miracles unfolding in front of you. Wow. Okay. Wow. I don't have any Aquarius in my life till now. No Aquarius. Like my mom, dad are Aquarius. I mean, not by birth, actually, not by zodiac. By zodiac, they are, I guess, uh, Aries. I don't know. 2nd April, 5th April. Aries people, right? Right? Yeah, Aries. But I don't have any Aquarius in my life till now. My God, I just realized it. Anyways, for you, the guidance here is the Ten of Swords. This is a very profound period of endings and brand new beginnings. Okay, hold your chin up, like held your head high, and keep moving ahead. Okay, if you're going through pain, experience the pain, don't avoid the pain, go through it, cry, do whatever you feel like you should do in order to go through the pain head on. And once you are done, just get up and keep walking ahead. Yeah, because the moment you are going to be in a safe and secure energy within yourself, everything will start coming to you. If you're going to do it forcibly, it's not going to happen. You don't, universe doesn't, universe don't work with the fake energies. You have to literally be in a very secure and safe and comfortable energy to get everything coming to you. And this reminds me of me being in this energy. Very good. Thank you so much, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.